Here you go, JoJo. There's a big one. Yay! Oh, yeah. Yeah, if you get them to spin. What are you doing with it, JoJo? Twirl it in the air. Swirl it around.
Oh, my God, Renee. You not
Oh, good job.
Big bug I found in my apartment today. I don't know what it was.
Black?
It was black and it had these pictures on it.
So, like a beetle, but it's like long and got a big body.
Huge thing. And she goes, Mama, maybe that's what bit you.
Oh no, hopefully not. I mean, we've had one in the house too. I don't know what they want. Yay, JoJo! Is that fun? That is fun. Woohoo! Boy, JoJo. Oh, your pants! Get it away from your pants! Catch the baby on.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. Katie, is there a way to put them down there to make them spin? About out of memory there. Oh, nice one.